Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is the part 4 on how to solve a 4x4, the beginner's method. So here, this is where what we left off. We have all of the centers and the edges solved. So now we just need to solve it like a 3x3. What I mean? Just think of the edges like a 3x3. Like a 3x3 edge. So you can just solve it like this. So, when you see a case that is not supposed to be on the 4x4, and you didn't get to OLL yet, so when you're doing this and this is actually flipped, it means that you solved the centers wrong. So please go back to my part 2 on how to solve the rest of the centers video and check if you actually solved the centers correctly. So it should be with white on left and yellow on the right. It should be from down to up. It should be orange, blue, green, red, blue. So this is the order, and I can solve that again. So right now I'm doing LBL to solve it, and you know what? I'm going to do a F2 route right here. So I am learning F2L right now, and I'm getting faster and faster at F2L. So make sure for the F2L tutorial, which is 3x3. And here, this is an unsolvable case on the 3x3, but it is solvable on the 4x4. So this is the parity algorithm. All of this are solved, and this, so you can see that this edge is actually flipped. Two ways to solve it. First, break your cube apart, which I do not recommend, and it is illegal in WCA. So I'm going to teach you the right way. The right way is to use an algorithm, of course. So this is the algorithm. I'm going to put it up on the screen right now because I do not know what actually the algorithm is. But I think I had muscle memory, so I'm going to put the algorithm right now on the screen. So wait. So after we did that algorithm, this becomes solved. And then this is an actual solvable case on the 3x3. So you can just do your algorithm. I know your algorithm could be different from mine's, but do your algorithm to solve that. And then, last case, you can solve this. And then solve the rest of the cube. So there are also another parity that can happen to your cube, which is the PLL parity. The parity that we talked about earlier is the OLL parity. So the PLL parity is basically this, where you have one pair of edges flipped. So now you want to do this algorithm, and it's going to be on the screen right now. So now you have the whole cube solved. So in part 5, I'm going to talk more about parities, and in part 6, I am going to be talking about finger tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.